It's Uncle Roger, baby. What's up, nieces and nephews? Got Uncle Greg and Aunt Anthony here about to chow down at this badass mofo's restaurant right here. Uncle Roger, influencer, chef, and Jamie Oliver hater. Let's see how it goes, baby. Let's do this.
Hello, niece and nephew.
So you see this clown right here? This is one of the funniest mofos out there. I love watching his stuff. Everybody loves watching his stuff, except for Jamie Oliver and sometimes Gordon Ramsay. This dude loves MSG more than anybody in this world. Normally, I'm against MSG, but we decided to come here, get a bunch of stuff, try it out, and we'll let you know how it is, Uncle Roger. This menu is ridiculous. I watched him review with Uncle Guga. Guga is his name, I think. Yeah, I forget his name all of a sudden. But so we got to get the special fried rice. They have kimchi fried rice. I'm not going to name everything on the menu, but I got to get a lot of stuff. What we're going to do is it's lunchtime. We didn't eat breakfast. We came here just specifically for this. We're going to get a lot of stuff, and then we're going to take it home and eat it throughout the day and eat it for dinner. So this is going to be our whole day. We just ordered a lot of stuff. It's really about to go down. All right, guys, so we're starting with the drinks. They came out quick. We got Uncle Roger's favorite, perfumed iced lemon tea, and she got Bandung La, which is rose syrup with milk. Let's get it.
It's kind of like you never had the faluda in Sri Lanka.
No, right? I never had it.
It tastes like that.
Let me try it. You want to try this? This really tastes like exactly what it is, perfumed iced lemon tea. I normally get no sugar in my drinks, but man, Uncle Roger's, I'm about to eat a ton of MSG. You think I care right now? Oh wow, it tastes like strawberry milk, like old school strawberry syrup and milk.
I like this one too.
Both very good. All right, guys, we got some food that came out. We actually ordered more because, you know, I want to do this right. My boy, Uncle Roger. Right here, we got the Why So Weak Mala popcorn chicken. Why so weak? Right? And then we got here the Foodie crispy chicken with the pineapple mayo. I saw the pineapple mayo was amazing. Then we got the special fried rice, which is secret sambal, which is a spicy sauce, egg, onion, and smoked duck breast on top. And over here, we got the egg fried rice, which is wok fried rice with sesame oil, eggs, spring onion, and fried shallots, topped with unagi. Stay tuned for a sec. We're waiting on the rest, and then we'll get started. Uncle Roger approved, baby. Listen, this better be good, man. And we're going to give you a good review, and you better send me a nice polo shirt, because I love the orange too, man. You know what? It'll match my shoes, my beats. I need the orange shirt, bro. Let's go. All right. The moment we've been waiting for. We're starving. We just took like 20 pictures for thumbnails. That's the worst part about this, is that everything just ends up, you know, getting a little cooled down while we're taking all our pictures. But we're going in now. Babe, you pick something and start with it.
I need to start from here.
Yeah, this is the mala chicken. It's got so many chilies in it. It's ridiculous.
I like it. Yeah.
All right, Uncle Roger, she's a very picky one. All right, when we met, she only ate Sri Lankan food, you know, and then I had to have her experience all the other foods around. Now she loves it all. That's nice. All right.
No, I don't need the chili.
So many chilies. You get a fuyo on this one, bro. She eats raw chilies. She's Sri Lankan, you know, so I don't know why she's scared of these. This is very good. Now we're gonna go for the pineapple mayo, the Foodie crispy chicken with pineapple mayo. I heard great things. They loved it in the video, so let's go. Let's get it.
How is it? Interesting.
Different, right? It's nice though. Really nice. It's a mild flavor. It's not very mayo-y. You know, we got, like when we got, what did we eat yesterday that had like so much? Oh yeah, we got some vegan burgers. Even though I'm not vegan anymore, I still do eat a lot of plant-based. But we got like, she got a crispy, you know, fake chicken sandwich. And it was just like so much mayo, like New Orleans style, like we used to get there. It was a little too much, but this is a very mild flavor. Not like very pineapple-y. Perfect blend.
Try the sauce.
Oh yeah. This is a kaffir lime Thai chili sauce. I love kaffir lime. That kaffir is everything. How's the cucumber, babe? All right. So since I started eating meat and fish again and stuff, I've been slacking on the vegetables. We need some fiber in our diet, so we had to get the stir-fry cabbage la.
I already.
Right. We go in order.
Some rice.
One bite of this, then we go, Ooh.
Spicy?
That's nice. Wow.
I don't know why I'm scared of spicy now.
It's weird. What happened to this girl? She's becoming New Yorker. She's becoming an American.
So weak. So weak.
I like it.
And it's not too greasy. What do you want to try next, babe?
I like this one.
All right, this was which one was this? This is spicy. The special fried rice with the smoked duck on top. So this is the spicy, the sambal right here. So a little on your fork, go there. Oh, we didn't even cheers forks. Starts out, it's like it's not spicy, then it builds up. It's a very long build up. It's not instant. It's not that spicy. Come on, Uncle Roger, you can't call this spicy and leave it sit.
I like the fried rice.
Duck nut for you? She's very, I'll be honest. She doesn't like the gamey meats a lot. So even like mutton, certain things, it's certain things that are very strong flavored. All she really ate mostly as far as meat was chicken, you know, a little beef once in a blue. So I understand that she doesn't, you know, the duck is not for her. All right, next we have the Uncle Roger's egg fried noodles, sesame oil, egg, spring onion, fried shallots with 2 crispy fried eggs on top. You gotta have, even having this fried rice, you know, when I was growing up, we ate Americanized Chinese food. We never did like eggs on the fried rice like that. Now I can't have it without. But with this, we save the eggs for the noodles. So let's try it out, baby. Very good. Not a big noodle girl all the time either. That's very good. Like I said, I know I've been eating a lot, but this is also going to be for the rest of the day too. She was going to cook today because we bought a bunch of organic vegetables and stuff. I'm like, babe, do you really want to cook? We have 2 days left in Malaysia. Well, in KL. Stay tuned for where we'll go next, but. Egg fried rice, sesame oil, egg, spring onion, fried shallots with unagi eel on top. She tried eel for her first time the other day at Sushi Row, and she liked it. And you know, it's definitely a little different eel, but it's one of the greatest things. So go for it, baby.
You start this one.
Okay, I'm gonna start. Gentlemen first, kings first. Mmm. Oh man. Yeah. That's eel. What you think? I definitely give it a fuyo. All of it, man. This is very good. So we're gonna eat a little more, and stay tuned. We'll see how your brownie and ice cream game is, bro. What do you like the best? All of it. It's my favorite thing when she likes everything we get. Oh, guys, it was a challenge. When we first started dating, we go to a place, you're like, no. She's Sri Lankan, still is our favorite. My favorite is everything from Malaysia, so that's Chinese, that's Indian, that's Malay, Igbo, Thailand, Vietnam, Sri Lanka. Those are the best, all of it, equal to each other. Last time I gave it in order, I left Sri Lanka for 4. I don't want to offend anybody, but it's all, yeah, all love. So we are super full. I wish I took 3 bites less because now we got to get into this walnut brownie with ice cream. But what are you going to do? Not eat dessert? Come on. So first bite, we'll go to this beautiful queen, the auntie. Uncle Raj, you got to get you an auntie so you can feed her, you know? Good?
I like the brownie.
It's like a cakey brownie, you know? It's not that thick, like, which both ways are good, but this is like a brownie slash cake. Nice surprise. Let's go, let's,
I need one bite without ice cream.
Very good, very good. So we're gonna finish this up. I'm gonna cry walking around the mall because I'm so full. A ton of MSG in my system, so I'm sure I'm gonna go home and take a nap. But stay tuned, we'll hit you with the total in a minute. Okay, so when she's nice to me, she gets the oh. But when she yells at me, she gets the hey yeah.
Đây ai còn đây.
No. How much are this?
39 này.
Now, I normally wouldn't even entertain going to a celebrity chef's faster food restaurant like Flavor Town, because your Jamie Oliver is my Guy Fieri, and I hold him partially responsible why America is so fat and unhealthy. Nah, we've been fat and unhealthy for a lot longer than him, but he has definitely contributed to making it worse. But Uncle Roger, focusing back on your restaurant and the experience we had, we give you one big giant
Fuyo. Bye bye.